In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly for academic writing. Whether you're working on a research paper, an essay, or any academic project, Grammarly can be an invaluable tool in ensuring your work is polished and professional. To get started, you'll want to go to Grammarly. If you haven't already, sign up for an account or log in. Once you're in, the Grammarly dashboard is your hub for creating or checking documents. Here, you have the option to either start from scratch by clicking on New Document or paste your existing academic paper into the platform. It's always a good idea to keep the original document intact on your device, just as a backup. Next, to tailor Grammarly's feedback to your specific project, click on Goals. This step allows you to set writing goals which can align with the purpose of your academic piece. Consider factors such as audience type, formality level, and domain. By fine-tuning these settings, Grammarly will provide feedback that is more relevant to academic writing, helping ensure your work adheres to scholarly standards. Once your document is uploaded and the goals are set, turn your attention to the grammar and clarity suggestions. Grammarly's AI offers a detailed breakdown of potential errors, ranging from basic grammar mistakes to stylistic improvements. It's important to take these suggestions seriously, as even minor grammatical errors can detract from the credibility of your paper. You can choose to accept or decline Grammarly's suggestions based on what most closely aligns with your intended meaning and writing style. Remember, context matters greatly in academic writing. Another powerful feature available in Grammarly is the plagiarism checker. Academic integrity is crucial, and this tool can help ensure your work is your own. Simply toggle the plagiarism checker, and Grammarly will scan your document against billions of web pages and academic papers. This way, you can rest assured you're not unintentionally mirroring someone else's work, which could lead to complications. Finally, once you're satisfied with the revisions and checks, you're ready to export your polished document. Click the Export button and choose a format that works for you, whether it be Word, PDF, or another type. This exported document will reflect all the improvements Grammarly has helped you achieve, ensuring it's error-free and ready for submission or sharing. Using Grammarly effectively can transform the quality of your academic writing, giving you confidence in the clarity and correctness of your work. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.